Right, in this video, I'm going to be telling you lot why you need to play a sport as a man. I'm going to explain and be stressing how important this is in your life. So listen up. Thousands of years ago, humans were very active and very physically advanced individuals. We were hunting, we were fighting saber-toothed tigers to survive, and we were creating many impressive things like buildings, the pyramids, castles. So as humans, we were very active, yeah? We were very physical. We were very on the go at all times. There was a lot of physical and manual labor, hence why we were so much healthier. And in today's day, we can't really emulate that. You know, it's just the world we live in now, the 21st century. We've now got food available to us at shops. Most mechanical work has been replaced with machinery and vast technology. Physical and manual labor isn't really needed as much as it was for humans back in the day. So we need to move on with time and adapt to today's environment. This is where I get onto the topic of sport. Listen up carefully, you don't want to miss this. With sport, you get exercise at high intensities. You work out. You get healthier. That's the basics, we know that. But not only that, but you get a sense of competitiveness. In the olden ages, we were always competing with other people, right? We were competing with other tribes, animals. It was predator versus predator. It was who became prey. As men and as humans, we've lost that sense of competitiveness today. Most men are lazy, weak, complacent, and that's just the hard truth and pill to swallow today. Back then, humans had a purpose, right? They had a sense of drive, a sense of competitiveness to be the best, to win, to hunt that animal, to get food, to survive. It was tribe versus tribe, player versus player. And sport brings back this competitiveness in you. It builds competitiveness in you. What happens in football, right? You're all competing to score on a goal. In boxing, it's man versus man. You are competing to knock the other person out and win. In basketball, it's who can get the ball in the hoop more times. In squash, why did that come to my mind? What you even do in squash? I don't know, but the point still stands, you get me? All competitiveness is competition. Sport is competition. And when you play sports, it brings that competitive drive, that masculine energy that you need inside of you. That is a big thing to know here. And also it gives you a goal. It gives you an aim. It gives you a mission to complete, like humans had back in the day. A mental goal, a position to reach. This drives your hunger, masculine energy to achieve, to conquer, to complete. And in self-improvement, especially as a man, I don't know how many females watch my channel, but as a man, this is very important. Your masculine energy and drive to conquer, to complete, to achieve. For success, and that starts with competitiveness. This energy is very key, and sport will help you achieve this. And we've already discussed this, but sport makes you a lot more healthier, right? A lot of health problems today come from the fact of lack of exercise. A lot of people are lazy, a lot of people are not moving enough, they're stagnant in one place. This just increases the chances of you getting major diseases, so you don't want that. I've been a footballer for most of my life, and football's really helped me in my self-improvement journey, right? I wanted to be professional at one point, and I was really striving for it at one point, and things happened which, you know, made me change my mind of why I wanted to do it, but that's another story for another day. Football made me healthier, it made me more of a leader, made me more of a competitive person. It brought masculine energy in me, you know, to conquer, to complete, to win the game, to score a goal. If you're a footballer, you know the feeling of scoring a goal when the ball hits the net and it makes that curling noise, you know what I mean? So satisfying. And sport will also help you make a lot of friends, right? It will introduce you to a lot of different type of people. You will play against a lot of different type of people. You get a lot of experience in the real world, as we call it. 2 of my closest mates I met from football. That just shows you a lot. So if you like the content, hit the subscribe button. It's going to be a win-win for both of us. Stay tuned for more content, and I'm going to catch you lot in the next video. And make sure you lot implement sport in your life. Play a sport, it will change your life. Thank you guys for watching. Love.